We are going to see the topic about the exception handling. In exception handling, we are going to discuss the topic of throw block. So generally, we have already seen about the exception handling. It is used to manage the runtime error and unexpected events that disrupt the normal flow of a program. So what is throw block? It is user-defined exception, which means creating custom exception in Java allows developers to define the specific error conditions. It is only created error which is developed by developers. Okay, this is throw block. Anyone can explain the throw block program?
Class and name the classes exception handling. Next, static void check. Inside that we can give the parameter int age. We are creating an error in the situations like filling the forms. If age is less than 18, the programmer has to throw the error. Age is invalid. So we are throwing an error. Throw and use the keyword to create an object. Arithmetic exception is an object name, and we are printing the statement age invalid. Then we are coming to the main method. In main method, public static void main and string arguments. We are again using the try and catch block. In try, we are giving the error like giving age less than 18. Then in catch block, we are handling that error like e.get message. E.get message is a default one which get the message from the object created here, age invalid. So in output, we can get age is invalid.
Okay. There are types of exceptions in Java. Can anyone explain about the types of exceptions?
Types of exception handling, it has many types: arithmetic exception, array index out of bound exception, file not found exception, and my exceptions. So here's a program to explain. We created a class exception example and a main function public static void main string arguments. In the try block, we define int x equal to 10 divided by 0 and int array. Creating an array named ARR gives 1, 2, 3, only 3 elements, index of 2. Then printing system.out.println array of index 5. Then file reader is a class f equal to new file reader abc.txt in the text file format. Then the catch block. If it is an arithmetic exception, it goes to the object E, system.out.println, arithmetic exception, colon, plus what is the exception happened in that. We have printed. And the next catch block, we checking it is an array index out of bounds exception or not. If it is an error, it prints the exception. And the next catch block, file not found exception. It is a file not found exception error. It prints the error. Of exception of file not found. In the catch block, my exception of E. If it is an exception, system.out.println custom exception plus e.get message. It's a inbuilt function if happening. And the finally block system.out.println it's program completed. If it is not an error, it's also executed and the program ends.
A small assessment is going on. Can anyone? You can ask the questions to your friends.
If we given only 3 elements in an array and we want to print an array of 5, what type of error is this? It's an arithmetic exception.
Array index out of bound exception.
If we giving divide by 0, what type of exception is it? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We'll ask few more questions in exception handling. Okay, what are the types of exceptions? Anyone, one by one, explain the types of exceptions.
I'll go with an arithmetic exception. If any error occurs while doing mathematical expressions, it causes an arithmetic exception.
Okay. So what is the next type of exception? Array index.
Array index out of one expression is when we define an array and calling an invalid index from an invalid index element from that array, it will come an exception. So we define that exception in array index out of one.
The next one is
File not open.
file not found means
And if you want to open a file which is not registry, then it will throw error file not found.
thank you.